This is interesting. This is an artwork that hangs in Washington DC, and that's actually Britain Ferry, so just past Port Talbot Steelworks, where the M4 motorway now comes through. This part of the world was once the most painted landscape in Europe. My name is Richard Bowen. I was brought up here. It was a dairy farm when I was young. The business now consists of 9 small holiday cottages and the manor house. I always remember the phrase Visit Wales used 2 hours and a million miles away. Well, it really is quite apt for this part of the world. The dramatic heart of South Wales, as it's called. It's accessible to Pembrokeshire, the Gower Peninsula, the Brecon Beacons, and yet it's somewhere secret. You know, you could be in an aeroplane flying over a country and nothing changes for 7 hours, but in Neath Port Talbot there is long sandy beaches, there's waterfalls, there's heathland, bluebell woodland, streams, towns, villages, castles, and it all literally within minutes. One of our very first guests said that they'd loved the cottage, but there wasn't any local information in the cottage, so I started writing, and it turned into a book. Not everybody can do the farm walk, so we made a photograph book of the farm through the seasons. You know, I want people to leave feeling they've learnt something about this part of the world, and it's unique. You know, there's only one of us. We're not a big chain. They get to meet the local people as well, and hear the local accents and the local sense of humour when you're out wandering. It's all part of that experience. Still rivers run deep. You know, you might not notice it at first when you go through on the M4 motorway. If you actually stop and look behind that, then you'll discover an unbelievable number of layers and someone very interesting with a big story to tell.